Okay, here is an intro to the anterior muscles on the cat. We're gonna start off at the lower leg. Right in the front of the shin, you're gonna remove just a little bit of fascia there, and you are gonna find the tibialis anterior. Now, on the top of the legs, you're gonna do two different things to each leg. One of the legs, you are gonna remove the fascia just on the top, and there will be a long, thin muscle. You can see I've isolated it here, and that is the sartorius. Now, on the other leg, you're going to find the sartorius, but you're gonna cut through it. This is the sartorius. And then you're gonna find three of the quads. The three quads kind of look like, an unfortunate example is a hot dog in a bun. So this middle one here is the rectus femoris. The lateral one is the vastus lateralis. And then the one that's a little bit hard to see from this angle would be the vastus medialis. So the rectus femoris will be the one in the middle. The vastus lateralis will be the one on the lateral side. And the medialis will be the one on the medial part of the leg. And the best way to separate them is to use the probe that's not super sharp. And just kind of, once you remove the sartorius, you kind of do this motion and you're finding the natural separation of the three. Okay, next we're gonna go on to the abs. So the first thing you wanna do is find the midline of the body. So right where the middle would be. And on either side, you are going to just remove a little bit of fascia, right? Very, very thin amount of fascia. And the first, let me focus. The first muscle you will see is the rectus abdominis, and the fibers will go straight up and down, parallel to the midline of the body. On the other side, you're gonna cut a window into the rectus abdominis, and that's where you will find the transverse abdominis with the fibers running horizontally. Please understand that the transverse abdominis are very thin, and directly under that are the internal organs. So we wanna be very careful to just cut the rectus abdominis. So here's the rectus abdominis, and not too deep. So go slow and be careful. Okay, and then to find the obliques, they're gonna be right on the side of the cat, and they're gonna be going down this way, the striations. Then you're gonna find the edge of them and you're gonna peel them back, and the internal obliques will be going diagonal up this way. Okay, so we have the internal obliques, the external obliques, which I peeled away, the rectus abdominis, and over here I peeled off the rectus abdominis to find the transverse abdominis. Okay, pectoralis major, very thin fascia right here. So I don't know if you can see my striations, not super well, but they kind of go out like a fan. So that's the pectoralis major, very thin layer of fascia. Same with the bicep. Okay, bicep, upper arm, you can see the striations right there. And then sternocleidomastoid, I'll be honest, something weirds me out about doing any dissection near the neck. Most of you will be able to find your sternocleidomastoid right there, but if you can't, just put the pin there, no need to dissect it. Okay, and these are the anterior muscles of the cat.